Here with UNAS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about abstract class. What is an abstract class? It's basically a superclass with the keyword abstract. So we know here, like we saw in one of our previous lesson, like we can have a class like vehicle that could be a superclass for other classes like Toyota. So it's a superclass because we are extending this class vehicle inside Toyota so that Toyota can inherit on uh, some of the some of the public functionality of a vehicle. We have also Mercedes that extend vehicle. So Mercedes is a subclass of vehicle as it is for Toyota and Ferrari. So since vehicle is a superclass, there is a way to make it an abstract class. The benefit of making a superclass an abstract class is to to have create some method with signature that can be implemented, defined inside the child class. So to create an abstract class, what we have to do, just in front of class, we add abstract, abstract, abstract. And we have the option actually to create also abstract method. So like right here, we're creating an abstract method. An abstract method is basically a method that doesn't have a body. You see the method in speed here, this is the body, the method body for speed method. But get engine is it doesn't have a body, it's just a method with a keyword abstract. So if we remove the keyword here abstract, you can see it's giving us it's complaining. So a method has always to have a body, but once you put abstract, then it's gone because it means what? This method here has to be defined wherever you're extending this class. Let's go to Toyota, one of its subclass C. You can see right here now there is a complaint here, and then it's saying add an implemented method. It means like we have to implement like override, like you can see here, this get engine. So I want to remove it. What I did basically is just to click on the red dots here and then click on add implemented method. Click on it twice, then we got it. So here I don't need to have this one, it's just some comments. So get engine is returning a string. Right here I want to do maybe is Toyota as he has a diesel, it's a diesel, and in Mercedes we can do the same also twice, and say it's an electric car, maybe electric engine, electric, and we go to Ferrari, and you see the fact just we created an abstract method, it wants us actually to add the missing method, so that's why we're doing this. And then you can see it gave us first of all to do like to do something about what we're planning to do in the specific class. In the Ferrari here we can do maybe uh, let's just do gas. Okay, so let's try to do something to create some classes here, some objects. objects, we're gonna do Mercedes equal new Mercedes. And we want to just copy this one so that we can save time. I want to just create more objects again. So one is gonna be Ferrari, and the other one is gonna be Toyota. Toyota, Ferrari. Object has to be always lowercase, to start with lowercase. Ferrari and Toyota. Alright, we have three objects, three vehicles, and let's say now let's try to call the object and then print up what it has inside it. Print line, we go Toyota, the get engine. So we're just trying to see what is gonna give us when we're printing the name of the engine of each of this vehicle, and then so that we can see why we're doing that. Eventually, this is no Toyota, this is gonna be Mercedes here, and we got Ferrari. Copy and paste here Ferrari, and I want to do print line one more time so that we can have some good formatting. So I want to remove this inside, so we're gonna print line between this and the last one. We don't need to. So what we're doing here is like we're creating objects, vehicle objects, based on each vehicle constructor type. Like we're creating a Mercedes. My first vehicle is a Mercedes. The second one is a Ferrari, and the last one is a Toyota. And I'm checking just how to use the get engine abstract method because vehicle is an abstract class. Actually, the lesson today is abstract class and method. So let's run it and see what's gonna happen. You can see it gives us electric, gas, and diesel. So it means Mercedes, when it prints up here get engine from Mercedes, is returning electric. Let's click on get engine from the Mercedes object and then see what's happening. So it's taking us to the super class, but if we go inside the Mercedes, you're gonna see it's electric. And if you do the same one for Ferrari, you can click on here. It's going to still take you to the super class. But if you go to the constructor, where the definition and the implementation of the method is, you see gas. That's why if we go here, Ferrari is giving us gas, and diesel is definitely Toyota. If we go to Toyota class, you can see it's diesel. So an abstract class helps us to have an option to have those functionality as a normal class, and also to have the option to have an abstract method defined inside, where you don't need to have a method body where you want to add some instructions, but those abstract methods had to be implemented inside child class. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.